Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Eki. If it's your first time seeing me, you are welcome. Today's video I'm going to show you how I apply my foundation. So if you want to know how to apply your foundation like a pro, please keep on watching while we go right into this video. So guys, first I'll be cleansing my skin with the Matic Micellar cleansing water. I love to work on a clean skin, so that's the reason why I'll be cleaning, so that whatever product I'll be applying next will glide on smoothly. So I also cleanse my lips as well. This is to remove every dirt and flakiness, if that makes any sense, from my lips, so that when I apply my lips products it will glide on smoothly. Next is the setting mist. I love to spray my face first before I go in with any other product. Then I will be letting that dry down a bit before I'll go in with my primers. If you have this small fan, you can just use it to dry it down quickly before you go in with any other product. So now I'll be going in with my moisturizer. I'll be moisturizing my skin with this moisturizer. I actually got this as a gift where I normally buy my makeup products. So I'll be working this into my skin everywhere, and then I'll be patting it with my finger. You can use brushes or whatever tools that you love to use. I personally love to use my hands in applying this product, so you can do with whatever you have. So next I'll be applying my primer. This is Rimmel, so I'll be working that into my skin. I'll be concentrating that on my T-zone as well, just to keep that oil at bay. Next primer I'll be using is the Pond's primer. I'll also be working this towards my T-zone. I produce oil in this area so much, so that's the reason why I go in with different primers. You can do with one or more than, depending on the look you're going for or how long you want your makeup to last. So this is the reason why I go in with more than one. So now I'm going to be using these two foundation. One is Zikel and the other one is Maybelline Superstay in 362, while the Zikel is 015. So I'll be mixing these two foundation together. So I'm just using my brush to scoop out the Zikel because it's almost finished. Yeah, it's finished. So I'm just trying to bring out the remaining from the bottle. So I'll be using this brush to swipe that foundation on my skin. I usually use my finger to just tap the foundation and apply it, but I noticed that when I use this brush to swipe the foundation on my skin, I get more flawless look. So I think I prefer to use this method. So the beauty sponge I'm going to be using now is wet, so that's why I'm using the paper towel to squeeze out the remaining water. I use a damp beauty sponge to blend out my foundation. So I'm just patting that foundation into my skin. If you notice, I'm not swiping it, I'm just pushing that product into my skin so it sits nicely. If I swipe, it can move my product around or make it look patchy, and I don't want that at all. So that is why I'm pushing that product into my skin. And I'm bringing down the foundation to my neck and my chest because I want to have a seamless look. I don't want my face and my neck to be different, so that's why I bring the foundation down to my neck. And I'm also applying the foundation again to the places or to the areas that needs more coverage, like my cheek, that I have some black spots still peeking through, so I need to cover that up. That is why I'm applying that product right on that area. Why I don't apply on every other side is because I don't want to look cakey, so that's the reason why I'm concentrating on the areas that needs more coverage. So guys, if you've been wondering the tools you need for your makeup, I'll be leaving the link right down in my description box below. Please do check it out. So what I do again is to set my face with the spray mist that I used earlier. I'll just leave this to dry down a bit, and then I'll use my beauty sponge to push in the product or the setting mist into my skin. This just helps the product or the foundation that you've applied to stick into your skin. I know you'll be wondering why I'm using an hydrating mist and at the same time I use a mattifying primer. Yeah, it's because I want my products to stay on my skin for a long time and stay matte for as long as I want it to stay, and then at the same time I want my skin to feel hydrated. I don't know if this makes any sense, but that is just the way I want it. For my face not to look flat, that's why I'm highlighting using the Hello Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. I'm highlighting the bridge of my nose, forehead, my cheek, my under eye and my chin. This is just to bring a light to my face. Next thing, I'll be setting the highlighted areas using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. This is just to keep the highlighted areas in place. I'm using the beauty sponge I used earlier in applying my skin product to apply the setting powder because it's still damp, so this just helps the powder to glide on.
Now that you're gone, I spend my nights all alone here, wishing you were here, sweet atmosphere. The sun is going down.
Next, I'll be setting my entire face using the Hello Pride Oil Control Compact Palette Powder. I'll be using the O2 and the medium in the palette to set my entire face.
I'm a dangerous woman, but I just wanna make you feel like a real man. You know it, babe, sometimes I'm scared of you. I love you. I just wanna.
So the next thing is to set the whole of my face again with the same setting mist. You can use any mist at all or any setting spray that suits your mind or that you have to set. That is not a problem at all. So I am using this to just set all over my face just to reduce the powdery look and to keep my makeup or whatever I've applied on my face in place. So guys, that is all for foundation application. I'll be back in a minute.
Now it's getting cold, I want
So guys, this is the final look. Please let me know your thoughts at the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss new videos, and as well share with friends. And stay tuned, stay blessed, and stay beautiful till I come your way next time. Bye guys.
Feel the tempo. I just wanna get at your feelings and take the pain away. Listen to melody and take the pain away. And take the pain away. Get at your feelings and take the pain away. Listen to melody and take the pain away. And take the pain away. Now that you're gone, I spend my nights all alone here, wishing you were here, sweet atmosphere.